Unfortunately, that is as far as my camera will zoom. But our baby hawk, yeah, I guess I could, but my baby hawk is growing up to be a big boy. And look, we have the red-winged blackbird. There's the red-winged blackbird. Oh. So, yes, it's my little killer. For those, and I know that most people that watch my videos are my age. So, the hawk from Bugs Bunny. My mama done told me, bring him something for dinner. Hi, Hawk. Look how pretty he is. Good morning. He's looking at all the birdies going by. And look, the red cardinal is hiding right in that tree. The red cardinal's like eyeing the hawk. Seriously. The red cardinal is right in there. And look where the hawk is, right there. That's pretty cool. Oh, I'm afraid to go closer. I don't want him to fly away. He was. And look, here come my red birdies. There he is. Come on. Oh, down on the ground. Yeah, so that is one of the perks of moving to Florida. Not only Jurassic Park, but the wildlife here. It is. It's absolutely beautiful. And that's the little female red. Let's see if I can get, there she is. Yes, so July 4th. 2018. Look at my baby hawk is getting so big. Peep, peep. Good morning, little birdie. Okay, this is Skies Above. Let me stop because I am going to go talk to my hawk. Everybody have a nice 4th of July if you're celebrating that holiday. Independence Day. What a joke. Because we are not free.